stop. One airport rule in this video will cost you money, delay your flight, or take your bag, and you won't see it coming. These changes are enforced quietly. No warnings, no mercy. Miss one, and you'll find out at the gate in front of everyone. Rule 7 is the one catching even frequent flyers. Hit like now and subscribe. Every second you wait, someone else loses their bag instead of you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to survive 2026 airport rules. Let's start with the rule that already turns carry-on approved bags into a problem. This is the first trap. In 2026, carry-on size is enforced, not debated. If your bag is even slightly over, it's done. Every inch counts. Wheels, handles, pockets. Most bags already fail, and owners don't know it yet. Sensors check, not staff. You won't get a warning, you'll get a tag. Smart travelers measure now. The rest pay at the gate. If you haven't measured yours yet, hit like. It might save hundreds of dollars on your next flight. Weight is the silent trap. 8 to 10 kilos. No exceptions. Laptops, shoes, toiletries, all count. Some weigh at check-in, others at the gate. Everyone sees you fail. Everyone waits. No excuses, no mercy. Smart travelers weigh before leaving. The rest pay. Check your bag now. Hit like and subscribe if you want to always stay one step ahead. Don't be caught off guard. Next trap, your personal item. In 2026, it must fit fully under the seat. No half-squeezed corners, no exceptions. Soft-sided bags help. Rigid bags break rules. Essentials must stay close. Meds, documents, valuables. Ignore this, and your personal bag vanishes first. The prepared keep it with them. Pack smart. Hit like now if this tip could save your bag on your next flight. And subscribe to never get trapped. Liquids are the fastest way to lose your bag. Some airports allow full-size bottles. Others don't, and they won't warn you which one you're in. You can clear security once, then watch everything get taken at the next checkpoint. Smart travelers keep liquids exposed and minimal. The careless unpack in silence. Assume nothing. Check first. Hit like and subscribe. Being prepared is the only way to survive 2026. Electronics are the next filter. If a device can't turn on, it doesn't fly. No power, no discussion. Dead phones, laptops, tablets, all treated as threats. Power banks over the limit, confiscated instantly. Smart travelers charge everything before leaving. Keep batteries visible. Know the limits. In 2026, power is proof. Hit like if you want your electronics to always stay with you, and subscribe for every new travel rule before it hits. Smart luggage is where trips end. If the battery doesn't come out, the bag doesn't fly. Airlines don't care how expensive it was. You'll be asked to remove the battery. If you can't, it's gone. No arguing. Smart travelers test this before leaving. They can remove it in seconds. Everyone else learns at the checkpoint. Hit like if you want to always stay ahead of airline traps, and subscribe. Your next trip depends on it. This is the final fight. Overhead space is no longer guaranteed. Flights fuller, bins smaller, basic tickets board last. You could do everything right, then watch the bins fill before your turn. No space means bag tagged and gone. Smart travelers board immediately and keep essentials under the seat. Hit like if you want your bag to always stay with you, and subscribe to never lose overhead space again. The truth is, 2026 isn't just changing carry-ons. It's rewriting every rule of travel. Size, weight, liquids, electronics, overhead bins, everything can trap you if unprepared. Smart travelers measure, weigh, pack strategically, and board with confidence. The rest? Pay fees, lose time, and watch their bags vanish. Don't be one of them. Hit like right now if this video saved you from disaster. Subscribe and turn on the bell. Every new airport rule hits fast, and staying ahead is the only advantage left.
Pack smart, travel light, stay alert. Every second you wait, someone else loses their bag instead of you.